We all know he's a criminal.
Good afternoon. Kain kita. Peanut. This peanut, we bought this in the Philippines last time.
Yeah.
How are you, honey?
I'm fantastic. I've had a wonderful morning with my wife. Watching the snow.
Which one, guys? Oh, the peanut. Boom! Mabata pa kita, no? Favorite ng ano yan. Favorite natin. So, hindi kami makalabas dahil nga snowstorm. We are expecting 12 or 8 to 12
Feet.
yeah, feet?
Feet. 24 inches.
8 to 12 inches, I think.
No, 18 to 24.
18 to 24?
Yeah.
Last year, we didn't experience like this one. So, di makalabas. Dahil nga, malamig. Closed na ang mga roads today. So, this is the back of our house. Makapal na yung snow. Madilim. So, ingat-ingat kita to, no? Take care. Stay at home.
Stay at home, stay warm, stay with who you love.
Sweet. Kasi nga, malamig. Malamig. Say, malamig.
Malami.
Tugnaw. Tug.
Tug.
Now.
Now.
Tugnaw means cold.
Tug now.
Yeah.
Deep.
Tugnaw. To dip. Mala. Tip. Dip.
She's on there. You'll be reunited as soon as you get
They're expecting the snowstorm until tomorrow, right? Monday.
Monday night, yeah.
Monday night. So, Sunday, Monday. Stay at home. And ang concern is the burnout. What is it? Blackout here. Right?
Power outage.
Power outrage. Yeah.
Outage.
Outrage.
Oh, blackout. Yeah.
Yeah, blackout.
We don't have brownouts, we have blackouts.
Yeah. Pilipinas burnout. Dito blackout.
Same thing.
Yeah,
No
kasi-
power.
No power. So, ready na mga generator. Yeah, we have generator here also. In case of emergency. Kasi nga yung ibang trees, because of the snow is too heavy, is already like, fell down,
Leaves and trees have fallen over here.
falling over. Yeah, they're falling over.
Too much snow.
So, pati ang mga poste. So, ingat-ingat. Ingat. Kasi, halong.
Not. Hello.
Ha?
Huh?
Long.
Long.
Halong.
Hello.
See you again later. Mga amiga. Say amiga.
Amiga. See you later. Amiga.
Buyers.